So I'm just doing brakes on this 2012 B7 Volkswagen Passat, and the issue a lot of people have with these is that they have an electronic parking brake, and you need a scan tool that can retract the piston back to its fully retracted position. And now a lot of people don't have those, and they're quite expensive. But the thing is, the motor inside of here, it's just a DC motor. So it's only 2 wires. So all that the handbrake module does is it just applies power in one direction to apply it, and applies power in the reverse direction to release it. So all that I've done is I've just got a bench power supply down here. I've just got it set to just 12 volts. And so I've hooked it into this connector here. Now this is actually the reverse. I've switched the leads here on the meter, on the power supply. Because the way, if this is negative and the other one with the square end is positive, then that extends it, but if it's the other way around, then it retracts it. So all I have to do is just turn on my bench power supply, and just run for a second, and then it will stop when it gets to the end. It's geared down quite low, so it actually takes a second, and then you switch off the power supply. So now it's all the way extended, all the way retracted back to its service position. And now you can hook up your brake bleeder and crack the bleeder and push the piston back and bleed the system and change your brake pads. And so that's how you can change your brake pads and retract the parking brake on a B7 Passat and a lot of other Volkswagen vehicles without a scan tool and without removing the motor. So the motor still stays on the caliper, because often the bolts will seize to the caliper and it's a huge pain in the ass to get off.